Alright, one. So we are here for the how to use for statistic on using SPSS for finding like the regression. So also like I said, the thing we have a lot of variables here. So I have many variables. We got gender, age, race, household size, religion, designated area, autonomous status, marital status, occupation, education, average income per month, average spending per month, and then the last two, yeah, and you got using dummy. For using dummy, first I can try to explain this. Click transform, record into different variables. For existing, we already complete the last one actually, and then click reset. Okay, and then click that the latest one. So I choose residential area. Okay, and then and new values. So I can choose that thing. For example, I can put urban area. So I put like 1 at, and then I put rural area. So I put 0. It look like 1, which means true, and 0, which means false. Which means the one area is to put like 1, that means it's true for based on urban area. While for 0 is a false for the urban area. That's why I want to show you this. Okay, next, we're gonna put the name. So I put like res area dv, that is dummy value, and then this I will as well. Yes, and then click change, and then click OK. So that's how you found it. So you can find here. Yes, there we go. See, res area dv, that thing. You're going to show the rest are done because I have 10 variables, 10 y variables. Next, click analyze, and then regression, and then linear. Okay, and then next I click for the on dependent. So I choose average spending per month, that is AVG spending, and then I put the independent next, that is I put, for example, I put age average here. This is number can be counted because it's a very easy find. So the rest A can be here. There we go. Now next I will go click statistics. Okay, so this is where I'm going to try to focus. So you got everything here. So I choose everything because I want to show you about that. So I click estimates, confidence intervals, covariate metrics, but I think it's not have in my bracket. So, but I will choose as anyway. And then model fit, R-square change, descriptive, part and partial correlation, and correlative diagnostics. Okay, everything I can pick depending on your how you choose anyway. Then click continue, and then next click plots. So this is where you choose variable this. You got histogram here, but are not used today. And then click options. Yeah, this is where how many property of F statistics here. So as you can see, but since I did not use it here, I skip. So starting for step I did not use. It's not not important too much. So after complete this thing, click OK. Yes, there we go. So this is how you're going to try to explain. So you got this is the descriptive statistics. You got mean and standard deviation, and then correlations. So everything you look at that how full here. Yeah. So because I put this on everything, so you can understand how important for correlation is. So as you can see, this is where it begins. So I focus only the one correlation, that's a Pearson correlation. Okay, the rest are this. So this is significant, how many this thing, and then n means this is a respondent. Okay. Next is model summary. You got R square, R, that's yeah, and then everything here. And next we got ANOVA, we got regression, residual, total here, and then we got coefficients. Okay, coefficient. This one is a big one because I just heard like when I use thing here, you're gonna know how to understand this thing, how the compare with this, and then we finish with coefficient correlations. Okay, so I want to show you about my notes here. So correlations, there must be like between maximum at least 1, while the lowest is -1. Okay, 1 is where it's a fully related, and -1 is very low negative. Okay, 0 is did not. So I want to think about this. So actually the highest ever, if we go to here, actually I did not see because it's no negative. So actually, if you want to put here, you can use in here. But because this is only how you related, but since this everything is not related completely, therefore I think you can understand here. I think for example region and uh, race dummy. Okay, this is here. So for example, they were negative. So I think that will be based on how important here you base here because let me explain here. Okay, this is I will try to put I want everything here. So average spending I use and average income I use RM. Gender I use one if female, zero if otherwise, which means this is male. Age it depends how old is. For race I put Malay actually is put one. The rest like Chinese, Indian and any here so it's zero. And for his size, that is household size, you put more than 4 actually. And the rest lower than that is gonna be otherwise. And the religion is Islam, okay. And then the rest is otherwise. And then the rest area, urban area, I put 1 and 0 is gonna be otherwise. That is rural area. And then employment status, one is gonna be employed, but the rest like self-employed and uh, students is zero actually, and marriage status, or actually I put marital status. I got typo a little bit. Actually, one is a married, while the rest zero is gonna be otherwise, which means it's gonna be single. And education level, I put one is tertiary, while the rest zero like primary and secondary. That is the level here is otherwise. That's why it's put zero here. So I want to show you about the step here. So I want to show about how important that thing actually. Yeah, so it's not only the based on the how to compare between these thing actually. So you can use it coefficient depending how it look like this. Okay. Next, I have one such step I want to show you. Next, we'll go to analyze. I'll go to the main home, analyze, and then we go to correlate by Warwick. Okay, this is where I want to try the comparison between any like correlations between any variable that use here. So the main one I want to show you is a spending and age, for example, first. Yeah, you also can using anything, but but since we already have, but since I did not relate to spending here, so I want to show you about everything before you can choose. But I can choose all everything here. So for example, I choose everything. Okay, so I choose everything. So I want to make sure we prepare. So you got two tail and one tail, but we choose two because I always using for this. So it is based on the like how to use here. You also have the two type for correction application: Pearson, candles, and spearman. So yeah, you have seen these one as well. Me and standard deviations. So I choose here. I want to display and click continue and then click OK. Okay, there we go. So the same. Okay, yeah, this is where I want to show you. So I try to focus only that focus to spending because it is a wide variable. Okay, so I want to show you about that. So this is Pearson correlation. So this is I want to show you. This is I want see how much here. So look at the everything here. So you can see this one 0.647. It is very nearly related because this is I want to show you because average income per month actually is if you put that thing is if you put more than near to one, that means it is almost fully related. Okay, it's just called relations. It's a very important to understand. In that case, that means if you put that thing actually you get H0. Okay, because if you put H1, they can to understand how it can relate it here, and then you can inject H0 after you can see that the higher it is. Oh, you also forgot one thing. I want to show you one last thing because I forgot to explain. You're gonna find the p value. I think p value are here somewhere actually. Oh, I think I do have p value, right? I think I forgot to put p value. Actually, p value is supposed to be here, so I'm not sure that to be. Uh, I'm not sure this. Okay, so yeah, this is I want to show you. Okay, yeah, semicolon. I think this is p value. Okay, I'm terribly sorry because I thought it's gonna be the other one. Semicolons. I need not mean this thing like meaning here. Is actually this is significant. Is representing p-value. So yeah, and t is gonna be t statistics. Okay, and you got an standardized and coefficient. Yeah, you can see here. Yeah, so if you can read everything here, you can know how to use it. Okay, so I want to show you about everything in this. So this is how my own formula, so you can understand the flow of this. Yeah, this is I would say if jack has 0, if the free value is lower than a, which means that like on the this, yeah, say like 0.01, okay, yeah, but actually yeah, this is more for like 0.02 or 0.05 for example, yeah. So that's why I want to try to find this thing actually. So yeah, that's it about the thing about how to use for SPSS actually. Now, I would like to go to the next step that is uh, using EViews. Okay, EViews. The last I used here back in uh, 2021. Oh no. Oh yeah, we had a problem. EViews license had need to be refreshed. Oh, I think we had a bit of problem. Yes, your license has expired. Okay. So unfortunately, I don't think I can continue because unfortunately the EViews already expired actually. So that means yeah, there you go. See, that means I can using the upgrade to University Edition. Oh, yes. Okay, I think I can try. But the bad news here, you're gonna buy. So if I try to buy, so I can show you because this is gonna be absolutely disaster actually. See, this is a really exhausting actually because yeah. But I want to show you about how to use this thing. Okay. So one last thing left before I want to finish. I want to because I want to show you about the step about using EViews. So unfortunately, I did not have in the show, but I want to show you about because I bring the book about the thing. So I think I have saved it, but I'm gonna take a moment. Okay, so let's okay. So first step here, you're gonna open EViews and then you put files, work files, and then work file range. Yeah, you can see the have some menu up here actually, and then inside work file range, you can put outdated or irregular, and then start observation. You put one for example, and end OBS is for example 10, but I put 60 because that based on the thing, and then click OK. Next, add work file, right click, and a new object, select series, and pick Y or X variables. That is for the at least will look like same as three variables in that case, and click OK. Then next, stay at work file and then ctrl, then choose Y and then X, and then open as group actually. Next, inside group table, yeah, inside the window here, click edit plus minus because I think you're gonna find the menu actually because you're gonna find the like formula actually, and then copy any tables at Excel or any statistics software and then paste at group table, and then click quick estimate equation, the right formula, for example ycx for two variables and ycx1 x2 for three variables for example, and click OK. Yeah, that's it for the step for using EViews. I have the books like this so you can see, but I unfortunately I cannot buy this one because you're gonna using the full version actually, yeah. But yeah, unfortunately, this is gonna be very sad to me. Unfortunately, I don't think. But like I said earlier, this is how we doing that actually. So that's it for the everything from the using SPSS, and I tried and the tutorial using EViews. Unfortunately, not show that. Yeah, and yeah, I pretty showed how to use it actually, but you're gonna understand how to use for the for some like how to use for comparing for the correlation. You're gonna know how to put regression, because if you put the find like this for example, that this for example this. So if you find this, you can go to chapter 3 like this, so you can see this is for example I choose. Okay, so yeah, and yeah, I want to insert everything here to and here. So yeah, that's how doing that everything here. Anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching for everything about the how to use for the SPSS for the regression and any statistic like thing. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. Yeah, and so I only have set a little bit editing a little bit video about some one of those video I choose that is creating uh, snake and ladder and snake game actually, yeah. And I almost have finished for the I already finished actually for the traveling to Hitam Kedawa as at my first blog, but I decided to upload late because I'm gonna go this one first and then go to the second one that is travel to Hitam. So anyway, thanks for watching once again. I will see you next time in some and sometime in the future actually, yeah. My name is Jawi. I finished for the creating for the statistic and regression using SPSS, and I use a tutorial using EViews, but unfortunately I cannot show because I the lesson already expired actually, yeah. So 01, bye.